So, I didn't really think this was anything. Turns out to be a little modern, but necklace compass. Never got one of those before. Pretty cool. On to the next. So, haven't had really any signals except a couple of ammo. This was a scratchy, deep, pretty nice little rain guide. Or rain, not exactly a rains guide, but I think partly. All brass. Very nice. On to the next. Seems like a pretty good signal. I'll start to dig, we'll see where it is. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a coin. Oh. Modern dime. It's clad, so can't get the date. On to the next. Ooh. Nice. Nice little buckle. Thought it was going to be a can, but rang up high. Nice little buckle though. On to the next. So all morning, nothing but really junk. This is a 83, pretty tight, awfully loud though. So could be a can, but we'll see. First interesting find. Just a hitch. First decent find of the day. Buckle, silver washed. Probably not that old, but finally a relic. All right, we'll try a few more. Getting hot out. So this was a scratchy signal, and it's at least pinpointed deep. Almost the same style buckle. A little older, I think. On to the next. That's two good buckles in a row. So it just wouldn't be a day without a horseshoe. Kind of low, but I figured I'd dig it up anyways. On to the next. So this was a very strong 40, 50 signal. So I don't know, we'll see. I was here a little bit the other day for like 10 minutes. I found a thimble and a button. So pretty excited about today. And I'm only going to spend about an hour, but I don't think it's ever been hunted. It's a very old field. So we'll see what happens. So on to the next. I was able to see it. 1964. On to the next. So, small little buckle. Wasn't that great a signal? Whoop. But is there? Where would it go? Lost it. There it is. This was a funny little signal. Looks like a part of a clock gear. Too big to be a watch. This must be from a clock. So that was an interesting signal. 10 inches deep. I don't know if it's, looks like a tack buckle maybe. Good find. On to the next. So, wasn't sure about this. Looks like it's a big, very old musket ball. I can see the mold line. Yeah, that's an old one. Good find. On to the next.